Welcome to Environmental Science 101. My name is John Reuter. I'm the professor for this course, and along with graduate teaching assistant, we're going to be helping you work in the material in the lecture and the laboratory portions. This is an orientation to help you get used to the flow of the work each week. I'd like to just walk you through the normal activities in a week. First, you'd go to the course home or the course content and find unit number 1. You've already done that for the orientation because that's where this video is. But work module number 1 has a variety of different levels in it. There's an introductory video, there's the calendar for the week, which is very important. It lays out all the assignments and when they're due, and then at the end of that intro section is really just the set of learning objectives for the week that includes the laboratory. When you proceed to go to the lecture, there's a narrated set of slides, sort of PowerPoint with voiceover for a lecture, and those same slides are available without the narration for you to review. There's a list of reading in the textbook, and for Unit 1, there's going to be the preface, Chapter 1 and Chapter 3, and Scan, Chapter 2. Chapters aren't very long, and they're pretty general. And then at the end of that, there's a short quiz just to check that you read those chapters and picked up the things that are necessary to move along. The next section is the application. In the application, there is a set of readings from Wikipedia or Encyclopedia Earth, some videos such as a TED Talk, and a simulation that will help you understand complex systems. And at the end of this, there's the week 1 crux question, and every week this crux question is the most important assignment. It is to put together what you learned from the textbook on approaches to problems and the actual descriptions of problems that we saw in the Wikipedia TED Talk and TED Talk. Next, in the lecture section, you would move to looking at the synthesis and the quiz. And the synthesis is just a set of the high points combining the what's in the text and the environmental science content. And then Unit 1 quiz is due by Sunday night. You're encouraged to do a lot earlier than that, but it covers both the lecture and the lab. And in parallel, there's a lab session where this lab session, you're going to see more about that soon, but the lab session has a short presentation about the topic for the week, a few guides on how to perform the skills, and these will all be applied to looking at problems in the field. So the main work you're going to be doing for this course as far as science with a laboratory or field work. The final point I want to make is that the text for the class is available at this website that I'm showing on the screen, www.johnreuter.com. And this is a text that I'm writing, and version 7 is the latest. And the text has there's 2 versions there. One is the full text as a PDF that you can download for free to your computer and read it. And I've also made available chapter by chapter PDFs, or shorter sections anyway, that I think might be better for tablets if you're just going to download that week's assignment and read it. So again, just go to that website and you'll see the link to go to the text.